Team A, Team B, Team A start. Round 1. Super. Team A score 2 plus 3 plus 6. Total 11. Team B, round 1 start. Super. Team B, round 1. 3 plus 2 plus 6. Total 11. Team A, round 2 start. Three points. One point. Team A round to 1 plus 3 plus 4. Total 8 in second round. Total Team A total 19. Team B needs 9 points to win. Can she make it? 6 balls, 9 runs to win. Super. 5 balls, 6 points to win. 4 balls, 5 points to win. 3 balls, 5 points to win. 2 balls, 5 points to win. Last ball, 3 points to win for Team B. Oh, Team A winner.